my gorgeous friends, and welcome to November's Glossybox unboxing video. I'm very excited to open this box. I haven't checked any of my promotion emails or anything like that, so I'm really going to be surprised what's in here because I have no idea what the theme is. So I'm looking forward to getting into it, and let's just jump right in. Here's our gorgeous box for November. Ooh, I'm enjoying the cozy vibes already. That's what it looks like before you take off the bow. Winter warmers. Now, who doesn't need this right now in the UK? We've had our first freezing nights, and it has been raining constantly since the end of September. So we are ready to be cozy. I've actually already had my almond milk hot chocolate today. It was very good. I'm so excited. Ooh, there's 6 items again this month. Wow, this is a chock full glossy box this month. Ooh, it's something that smells lovely. I don't know what it is yet. Our first item is a mud mask. Leave me on winter mask. With autumn drawing to a close, we still have a good month and a half left. I think in England they tend to use the first of the month for the meteorological winters or season changes, rather than in California we tend to use the astronomical ones. And I think that's because we don't really have seasons in California, but in the UK they definitely use the meteorological season changes. So I guess if we're coming up to December 1st, then autumn is on its way out. Another pH balanced product. With autumn drawing to a close, it's time to trade in your lightweight hydrator for this rich moisturizing mask. It not only creates an invisible shield on the surface of your complexion, protecting it from blustery weather, but it also repairs, nourishes dry, cracked, flaking skin. Apply a thin layer onto your face after cleansing, and you'll have a healthy, moisturized skin despite the cold. Wow, this says the retail price is $43.50. Wow, that must be a luxe mask right there. I can't wait to try it. I wish I could put it all over my body because my whole body could use everything that this mask says it offers. So I don't think I could afford that, but this sounds really lovely and luxurious, and I really can't wait to try that. Maybe tomorrow night, maybe tonight. What am I waiting for? Okay, let's see if this is the thing that smells. Nope, this is a more neutral smell, kind of almondy. Oh, it has macadamia seed oil. Maybe that's what the smell is. Cool. I'm looking forward to trying that a lot. Next, we have a Rituals Ayurveda hand balm. Fabulous. I have to try it right now. Okay, that's what smells or has a scent. Saying something smells makes it sound bad, but it smells good, so I don't know what I'm trying to do there. Ooh, that is so nice. It kind of smells like how when you go to the salon to get your hair washed, it always smells better than your shampoo at home, even if you have the same one. It smells like the really good salon scent shampoo and conditioner. Ooh, and it's so velvety and smooth. Oh, I'm so pleased. These 2 items alone have me done, man. I'm pleased. This is a lovely box. Ooh, I love it. Let's read what it says about it. When the cold weather hits, there's nothing more essential than a moisturizing hand cream. Luckily for you, this luxurious hand balm is specifically formulated to treat dry and cracked skin. It blends sweet almond oil with Indian rose to soften and nourish your hands. Simply massage a pea-sized amount into your skin and cuticles every day to keep them hydrated all winter long. This retails for £9.90. So a 10-pound hand cream is still a really good a really good deal. So far we're already up to a 55-pound box, so this box already has met its full price, like, promise requirements, so, woo, I'm loving it. Oh boy, this is where the catch comes in. The next item is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and I'm not knocking the brand in and of itself. These very affordable, gentle, simple cleansers are totally valid and great base products. I just usually have a problem when you can get like these things at your local drugstore and they come in these boxes, because these boxes are all about trying new things, right? But I've complained about that before. Let's see what it says about this one. Did you know that the winter chill weakens your skin barrier, causing sensitivity, dryness, and irritation? Oh my goodness, all of these things are talking about how terrible my skin is gonna be. Well, this gentle cleanser removes makeup, dirt, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils or upsetting its pH levels. Massage your pea-size amount onto your face and then rinse with warm water or simply wipe off with a cotton pad for a silky soft skin. This size is worth £1.10. The full size is £8.99, so it is an affordable drugstore product. You know, I'm not saying that those products are bad. Sometimes the simplest things are the most effective. It's just a matter of, like, I've seen this brand absolutely everywhere in the UK, so it's not new to me. It's not a surprise, and to be fair though, I've never tried it before, so I will be trying it for the first time now. I'll try it this weekend. Oh my goodness! Another gigantic full-size item. I think Glossybox is stepping up its game. Wow. Alright, this is by Candy Cosmetics. Let me get it open. How gorgeous is this? You could have a whole ASMR channel just, I'm sure there already is, just with this. Wow, what is it? This is Candy Cosmetics Glow Up Primer and Setting Spray. Forget dull winter skin, this 2-in-1 shimmery primer and setting spray. Does that mean you do it first and last? Will keep you glowing all season long. Spritz it onto your cleansed face before applying your foundation for a natural lit from within glow, or use it to set your makeup for an iridescent finish. You can also spray it all over your whole body to look like a shimmery goddess. Just shake it well before use. And guess what, guys? We're gonna try it right now. Hope I don't get it everywhere. Okay. Let's hope we don't look like a mess for the rest of the video. Am I supposed to rub it in? It feels nice, and it's got a very light scent. Do I seem more iridescent to you? Cool. I'm not really sure what it did, but it's beautiful. And it does feel like it smells good. Doesn't say what the sort of scent is. It's just all stuff I can't pronounce. There's not too many ingredients in it, so that's not too bad. Cool. I think I do have a little bit of a glow now. Nice. Ooh, cool. What on earth is this? Hask Exotics. Oh my goodness. Give your tresses the extra nourishing boost they need this winter. Lightweight and alcohol-free, this hair oil absorbs instantly and provides a beautiful shine with no oily residue. This came just in time. Yesterday when I was blow drying my hair, I realized my Moroccan oil was empty. I think it fell over and the rest of the contents spilled out. That Moroccan oil came in one of my very first beauty boxes back in July, and it has been one of my favorite products since. I'm pretty sure it came in a glossy box. Yeah, so perfect timing for a brand new hair oil. I'm devastated that my Moroccan oil spilled out because it is expensive, and it was such a good sample that really lasted a long time. So I'm looking forward to trying this. You'll either receive a nourishing coconut oil that hydrates and softens, a smoothing keratin oil that smooths and reduces frizz, or a repairing argan oil that restores dry and damaged hair. Apply onto damp hair from mid-lengths to end. Oh, it retails for £2.50, but that looks a lot more expensive than that, so they did well with their packaging. I received the Coconut Oil Nourishing Shine Hair Oil, which I think is probably the right one for me. I don't color my hair anymore, so I don't think I need the damaged one. And I don't think I need keratin, so I think that's the perfect pick for me, and I can't wait to try it next time I wash and blow dry my hair. Nice! Should we smell it? Give me a smell. How do you open it? It's cute that it's like a little test tube. Whoa. Ooh, that smells so good. I obviously love everything that's coconut smell, but this has a little something extra to it. I like it. All right, our last bits. Off Black Fruit Tea. We got 2 samples. They're very cute. Oh, high caffeine level. Whoa. One's high caffeine and one's 0 caffeine. Interesting. Ooh, okay. I've never heard of Off Black before, so it's gonna be cool to try a new brand. This one's a black tea with ginger, cinnamon, clove, orange peel, lemongrass, and orange flowers, and this has high caffeine, so I will have this as my morning caffeine. And this one is a hibiscus-based herbal infusion with apple, ginger, rosehip, blackberry leaves, blackcurrant leaves, and raspberry. So, brighten up and you're golden. Sounds good. I love tea. I have a full cupboard full of it, so I might have this one tonight and have this one in the morning. Glossybox, thank you so much. This box is amazing. I haven't added it up yet. I might do that in the end of the month review, but it's definitely worth more than 60 pounds, and their boxes are usually around the 50-pound range in terms of what they're worth, but this is a 10-pound beauty box. So you only pay 10 pounds for it plus shipping, and if you sign up for a 3, 6, or 9-month subscription, I forget what the options are exactly, but you do save a little bit more. And I'm on a brand new 6-month subscription, so I'm very excited. Even though I don't know what's coming after the new year, I decided, whatever, we'll see what happens. I can't wait to try that super luxurious mask, and I will document it all and share with you at the end of the month review. I hope you guys all have a lovely November. I hope we get a couple more days of sunshine before we launch into Christmas holidays, but so far it's just looking like cold and rainy, quintessentially British autumn. Not super special, but stay cozy, stay warm, take care of each other, and we'll see you very soon.